Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So it's Sunday. Well, it's not. It's Saturday when I'm filming this. So I thought I'd do a haul video, and I'm gonna do a book haul video. So I've got enough to do 2 haul videos. So there's quite a lot of books. So I thought, oh, let's do a book haul. So so yeah, let's do these 3 first, because I bought these 3 together. This was from eBay, and they're all very old antique books from the 1700s, so I was really quite excited. I can't for the life of me now remember how much I spent on them, but I don't think it was too much. Oh, I didn't buy them together. No, I bought them separately. That's right. And I think 2 were a bargain and 1 wasn't much of a bargain. Well, it was a bargain, but it wasn't as much a bargain as the other 2. You get what I mean? So yeah, let's have a gander. So I liked the look of this one. I loved spine. I loved this sort of marbly effect. I mean, it's worn out, but I quite liked that. I thought that was good. I love the fly sheets. We've got fly sheets front and back. I love those patterns. And this is from 1760. You see different prices from when it was previously on sale. I love this. So we've got a couple of stamps on there, a nice little, it's like a fox there, yeah, and it's just this really nice paper, and it's I don't know what language is it in. No idea. I think it's from Italy. Looking at it, so it's probably Italian. I don't know. No idea. Don't really matter. It's just lovely. Absolutely love it. So yeah, I don't know if this is rag paper. I don't know. It's got like ridges on it. But yeah, really like it. Quite possibly I am gonna just do that awful thing of cutting it up. I can hear Ed going, please tell me you're not cutting this up, Jess. Yeah, I probably am, love. I really am. At least you're not here to see it. Soz. But yeah, he did sometimes just despair of the fact that I cut into books. I was a book destroyer, he said, book murderer. But yeah, just love the idea of it being so old. I will probably scan some of this. I'm gonna I mean, some of the pages like that, obviously that's been left open, I would say, because these are, or maybe something got spilt on it, don't know, because these are quite a different colour to the other bits, which is quite cool. Yeah, it's probably water damage, Jez, when you look at it. Doesn't really smell, which is a relief, because I'm quite allergic to sort of mustiness. So yeah, they are gushing for quite a while at that one. And then I liked this one because I love spines that have these like ridges on. Can you see? Love it. Love it. So it's like, obviously it's leather and it's been worn away. We've got this lovely paper again, and this is from 1746. And oh, I love that front page. That'll be nice scan, won't it? And again, it's got that same sort of paper with like ridges on it. So I don't know, is that rag paper? No idea. I watch Roxy Creations. Well, I watch her when she does her weekly challenge, and she is often talking about rag paper. No idea if that's what this is. You know, and we look through and we've got these other great pages, so they'll be good scanned. Do love these borders as well. So yeah, just super duper, super duper. And then the last one of these antique books is this one, quite plain. I did, when I saw it in the picture, I thought, oh, was it a notebook? No, it is actually a book. It's from 1766, and again, it's this paper's a bit rigid, and these are all kind of ripped. They're all different different sizes. These are all poems. I love the roughness around the edge, so I think this one, I say, it's much dirtier, but we love a bit of grunge, don't we? And you can see we've got lots of discoloration on there where it has probably had water damage. This one is in English. So yeah, they were my eBay buys of antique books, so they can go on my pile to scan, and you know, maybe do some sort of kit with. Here we've got a Bible here. Now, I saw this Bible. I don't think I paid very much for this. It was in a charity shop. 50p, I think. I can't remember. Pound. Anyway, so it had a friend around the other week to talk about arrangements at the funeral. She organised the choir and everything in the church, and was just helping me with picking readings and things. And she came with a couple of Bibles, and James does have quite a lot of collection of Bibles, not because he's ultra religious, he likes all different versions of the Bible, and other religious texts actually. And I'm sure she said, oh, you need an authorized version, because the Bible he had was not the right version. And so when I saw this, the authorized version of the Bible, I thought, oh, this you know, give this to James. He'll I mean, it's only from the 50s. You know, add it to his list. Anyway, it turns out I'd already bought him a copy of this. It was like, I can't believe you bought the exact same copy that I already own. But he said, oh, it's a really lovely copy, Mum, because it's got all these little illustrations, lots and lots of, I love that little illustration. So the nice little maps. So so yeah, thought they were good. I know some people probably think it's a bit sacrilege to cut up a Bible, but it's a book at the end of the day, and this one's particularly pretty. I don't see necessarily a problem with it, and I do intend to do a sort of religious theme journal, not like a prayer journal, but you know, because I go on a pilgrimage every year, and I'm going in a couple of weeks for Easter. I do want to do a journal where I kind of can document my pilgrimages, and oh, I love that. So yeah, I haven't got a problem with using a book like this, you know, within that, and particularly the Easter pilgrimage, I can pick the Easter readings as well. So yeah, it's got lots of lovely maps. I am very happy with the maps. So yeah, that was me buying that, and it being the same book as I already own. This one I picked up today actually, and I just thought the cover was beautiful. Absolutely. James saw it first, and he walked into a different part of the shop, and I came and I picked it up, and he went, I thought you might like that one. So yeah, £2. It's from 1900. Well, at least this book plate is from 1900. So it might be a little bit earlier than that, but 1900's all right, isn't it? So yeah, the pages are actually quite thick. So I love that illustration. So I have got quite a few books with quite thick pages. So in some of the things I'm going to do when I'm sorting out my craft room is I'm going to find, I love that, books that have got thicker pages, because they make really good tag bases and you wouldn't have to add very much to it because it's already really thick. So yeah, that is. Did think about trying an altered book, but it does actually feel like it's falling apart. So I'll probably gut the book and use the cover because it's so pretty for something. I mean, it couldn't be a very big journal because the spine's not very wide unless I extended the spine, but I do like that as the spine, so don't know. Anyway, so yeah, liked this book. Do love it when you get like adverts at the back. They're very cool. So that was nice. Also got today here everybody's book of Proverbs. Nice wee book. That got a nice advert on the back there, and lots of adverts when you open it up, and beautiful colour on those pages. Have we got a date in here somewhere? I don't think so, Jess. Can't see a date. No, I can't either. So there. So these are the Proverbs. Better the child cry than the mother sigh. So better lose your labour than your time in idleness. So there we go. So a man that hath friends must show himself friendly. I'm not going to read many more. So yeah, that is, I just thought it was cute. Cute little book. Worth £1.50. And then, oh, James picked this up. Another shorthand dictionary. I love the size of the book. I love making little mini journals. Yeah, we haven't got a date in this one. No. But yeah, it's just a bit of shorthand. Love a bit of shorthand. So got loads and loads of shorthand books. Another thing really to sort out. So yeah, love books that size. I'm always making mini journals. And then I've got a couple of modern books. I have a miniature Edith Holden. I was so excited. James found this and he went, "Thought you might be excited about that, Mum." So yeah, I've got quite a number of the ordinary sized Edith Holdens, but this one's miniature from the 80s. Yeah, so nice little handy dandy size. So exactly the same as Edith Holden, just smaller. So I mean, you know, there's two tags there, 1, 2 that you wouldn't have got because it would have been too big in the other book. So, and of course, wow, I'm probably not going to touch this one until I find another one. But you know, but I love it that these are much smaller. You know, you've got a tag straight away. So yeah, marvellous, absolutely marvellous to have this, all these wonderful images, but in a much smaller size. So it's another one to look out for. Really happy with that. And then I've got this, I'm not sure I've already got a copy of this. This is the very similar to Edith Holden book, Marjorie Blamey, Flowers of the Countryside. And So I do think I have got a copy of this book. You haven't got the beautiful writing, but you have got some very lovely images in this book. So yeah. And so I was very happy to pick up another one. Oh, the bluebells there. So yeah. And I'm sure I've done videos using some of these illustrations. So how gorgeous are these? Massive big tags. We'd have to cut them down. I think they would be wonderful. Or pages in a journal. And these could be cut out to make. We got any on the no? So that's brilliant. I can just cut them out and make little slides out of them. So, and I love the bit of colour with the drawing. So yeah, well worth it. So that is my book haul. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. I thought I'd get on and do something. I haven't felt much like crafting this week. I have had a full week. We had the funeral on Monday, and both my boys have been off all week. And yeah, we've kind of done things together. We went out for a big walk to Spurn Point on Thursday, which marked 5 weeks since we lost their dad. And yeah, that was a really nice day. And then we've been to the gym together. We're going for another walk tomorrow for Mother's Day. Yeah, just sort of spending time being kind to each other. And yeah, it's it's had its difficult moments, but we've also had a few laughs actually. So I think Ed would have improved, and he'd have loved Thursday going out to Spurn Head. He loved it there. And yeah, and I want to say thank you to everybody, all those lovely messages that I had from my last video, the Rachel Bella Crafts collaboration. And yeah, and it's nice to know lots of people in the same position as me, having lost their husbands. Yeah, and it's really hard, and I do miss him ever so much, and I think I probably will forever. But yeah, he'd want me to carry on. So yeah, I have hurt myself. I fell. Yeah, I think I said that in my last video. But yeah, so yeah, I'm going to stop now, and I'm going to film my next haul, which you'll see the week after, and then I might do a bit of crafting, because otherwise I'll just crawl into bed and I'll stay there, and that isn't good for anybody, is it? All right then, see you all again soon. Thank you. Bye.